Ano nga po bang small town lottery? Ang naalala ko lang lagi, pag sinabing STL, panlaban natin yan sa weteng.
Totoo yun.
'Di ba?
Totoo yun. That's right.
Kaya
That's
sinimulan
right.
yan.
Nag-start yung STL nung time pa ni President Cory Aquino. So,
Mhm.
around 1987.
Mhm.
And then, tinap nila yon in 2000, 1990s, tinap nila yon because of so many issues regarding
Ay,
STL na parang ginagawa lang front yan ng mga dating nagweweteng.
aha.
So, totoo yun, ma'am. That was talagang panangga dapat ng gobyerno yan sa weteng. Kasi government was not earning anything from
Mhm.
weteng. So, yung small town lottery was the solution that they thought about. And then later on, so they stopped it around 1990s. And then they relaunched it in 2005.
Mhm. And
So,
so far, how is STL doing?
is doing so well, especially under GM Robles, because now we have around 90 STL agency corporations, authorized agency corporations. From the time GM Robles started, we had around siguro mga 50, and then we've reopened several areas. Not really sure about the exact number. Sorry, that's very but we started reopening areas para sa mga STL, and
Mhm.
now we're also continuing to open yung mga ibang areas para
Dahil ang gusto natin, mamatay
mano
talaga ang weteng.
weteng.
At
Yeah.
kasi, the good thing also with STL, mga kapatid, it creates, jobs.
Yes, that's
Mm-mm.
right. So yung mga kabo
Ka-
natin, yung mga kobradores, they're the ones. That's why it's called small town lottery. Talagang for small town yan. So in those areas, we were able to have jobs for those people. Marami dyan yung mga housewives, di ba, na mamaya they'll collect bets because that's how it started. It's a community activity. So magko-collect ng bets, and then so aside from that, yung sa STL natin, what I think what's important to note sa mga STL is yung nila, yung presence nila sa communities natin. You know, the small town lottery agencies are not yung mga illegal na, yung mga like the traditional wetting
Mhm.
model. These are legitimate corporations na practically, ma'am, natin sila, they're frontline natin sila. Pagka, in case of calamities, yung mga calamities in the mga local communities, ang first na kasama ng PCSO branch is the STL operator there. So sila yung mga CSR, yung social responsibility projects nila, and they're the ones who help out. They give mga relief goods. They also have mga outreach programs. They give mga educational materials to children during
Mhm.
pagkapasukan na.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
hindi yung parang tingin natin sa STL, ano yan, illegal yan. No, these are legitimate corporations,